All right, here we go. All of the colors of the new Google Pixel 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL. The first color is the classic porcelain color. I think it looks really nice with the rail combo, and you can see that the sides are glossy though, more like the iPhone is right now. So let me know what you think about that. The next color is hazel, which might be my favorite color out of the four of them. It has a really interesting hue, and I think with the glossy side rails, it really sets this one off. So let me know what you think about this one and if you agree. If you didn't notice by now, the 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL have the exact same colors, so it makes it easy for you to choose. Next up is just the classic black. You can never go wrong with the matte black color. It is so stealth and classy, and the rails just give it that contrast, so I don't blame you if you think this is the cleanest out of them all. And the last one is the fun color. This is the rose quartz, and this is a beautiful shade of pink, so I think this one really stands out as well. I love the matching pink side rails, so let me know which color is the best and which one that you're getting.